The
test not long
best
after.
thing in our life so far.
9 months of
Yeah.
wow,
Yeah,
crazy.
because it's just been so much fun. I've enjoyed it so much.
I'm Anne Webber.
And I'm Guy Webber.
And you guys have been on. How long ago did you join us?
September last year.
Okay, so we're into what, about 9 months now?
Yeah.
Yes.
What were your reasons for joining us in the first place?
We're travelling full time at the moment, and we wanted to compensate our income. So instead of pulling up and working every 6 months, we might only have to pull up and work every 3 months.
Okay.
And we need to generate at least $1,000 a month.
A week.
A week. Sorry, yes.
How have you gone in terms of being able to kick that goal?
Well,
Better than expected.
yeah, the last 2 months trading solidly, at least 3 to 4%, 1,500 to $2,000 a week.
Now, for a lot of people hearing that's enough money, and it is in your case, to be able to buy that time back off the tools.
Yeah.
How does that feel to have your money working for you in that way?
Oh, it's awesome.
It's terrific.
It's better than the bank. Heaps better than the bank.
And it's a fun journey.
Yeah.
It's enjoyable doing
What have you learnt along the way?
A
so
lot.
much.
A
yeah.
lot.
And easy to follow. That's what I've enjoyed about it, is that it was something that I wasn't sure how I'd go getting my head around, and it's been a cruising time doing it.
And I've got zero experience with trading and have learnt a lot, and am now daily doing cash flow on demand, covered calls.
A lot of people considering doing something like this would be of the belief that I couldn't do that, there's no way I could learn that. What would you say to them?
Yeah, give
Because
it a
you
go.
can.
You can learn it.
You can actually achieve whatever goal that you want.
How have you found the way that we've trained you? Has it been fairly accessible, easy to understand?
Yeah, very easy to
Very
understand.
easy. There was a couple of parts that needed more explanation, but then you watch the next video and it explains it in that. And then with the weekly classrooms, explains it even more.
What would your advice be to somebody that's maybe saying, look, I don't know if the stock market's right for me, or this is the right time in my life to be generating more income using this? What would you say to them?
They're wasting time.
They're wasting time, definitely. It's the perfect time to get in, is right now. In any market condition, you blokes have got it sorted. There's a way to make money there.
As you've explained to us, we can make money going up, going down and going sideways. And there's a strategy for each one.
But I guess you guys have seen firsthand the results. How do you see what you've learned and what you've done changing your lifestyle and life really over the next 6 months to 3 years?
Dramatically. And that's not an underestimation. Yeah. With what we're achieving at the moment and what goals that you blokes have helped set us to go forward from here, it's going to change our life dramatically.
Definitely.
Yeah. It's going to give us so much more freedom for us to do
What
what
we
we
want to do. Yeah.
rather than pulling up and back on the tools. Yeah.
And we can do this anywhere.
That's
It's
right.
the
It
beauty
can do
of
it
it.
anywhere. Whether we're here in Australia or even if you're overseas, it's accessible everywhere.
If you could turn the clock back, what would your thoughts be on
Ah,
cash flow on demand?
you'd be in it years ago,
Yeah, when you're in your early 20s.
most definitely. Stop sitting on the fence and get into it. Stop wasting time.
It's an easy process to follow and you are getting results.
And
I'm
the
getting the results.
Yeah, that's right. The
So,
support's there, so get into it. Stop wasting time.
Yeah.